Today, we have onto the podcast Patrick Warren from Daltile. Very excited to welcome him back. He is the Vice President of Dealer Sales and Showrooms over at Daltile. We've had him on before. Last year, we talked about Made in the USA products. We're going to talk about that a little bit again today. But Patrick, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks, Molly. Good to be here. Hello, everyone on the ProSource world. Good to talk to you again.
It makes so much sense for us to be talking about Made in the USA again because we are celebrating 250 years of America this year.
We sure are.
So you were kind of ahead of the curve last year. You predicted this big celebration, I guess. But we're going to be continuing that celebration and the talk about the Daltile products that are made in the USA today. Why domestic manufacturing matters. That was a big topic last year when we had you on. We talked a lot about just why it's easier for everyone overall to have manufacturing in the USA, not just for prices, but for time and scheduling as well. Why do you feel like that conversation might even be more important in 2026 than it was in 2025?
I think you've got a couple of things. In America right now, I think there's a definite desire to support local heritage. I think our 250 years is just the perfect timing of all of this. I think it's been coming on for quite some time now, but I think last year with all of the tariffs, I think this year with everything that's going on in the geopolitical spectrum, I think it's just everybody's becoming well aware that there are products in the U.S. that have been in the U.S. for a long time. We could talk about some of those with Daltile. And it's more of a heartfelt realization that, let's support our local businesses that have been here for a long time. They make products here. They make amazing products here. And let's continue that heritage of what we started long.
We discussed the manufacturing aspect and the footprint in the U.S. last year. I kind of want to continue that conversation a little bit today as well. How has that continued investment at Daltile support trade professionals and homeowners in today's market from just the cost?
I think it's a good question. I think there's the cost component because it's domestically made, right? You don't have to worry about coming over on a container or the time it's going to take to get here. Or in some cases with tariffs that we saw over the last year plus, and now with the Strait of Hormuz, is stuff even going to arrive, right? Things are getting stuck on the water, where you have a dependability of what products are here. The designs are amazing. And you have a spectrum of product, color, and design that not just in tile, within the home furnishings and really beyond that people have pride in what they're purchasing, and it's being made here, being manufactured here for their projects. So I think there's a loyalty that has been building, and I think the tariffs and the Strait of Hormuz, as an example, have fueled that. No pun intended.
While we're on the top, no, for sure, for sure. While we're on the topic of Made in the USA products, I wanted to quickly ask, what are some of your favorite, off the top of your mind, what are some of your favorite Daltile Made in the USA products?
Well, I got to tell you, we have a lot of them. In fact, we produce we have 11 domestic plants, 9 in the United States. We produce and sell to the ProSource members over 80% of our products that are made in the USA. Such a great story. We have so many products that are fantastic. We have I think, probably my favorite right now, because of the story that it brings, is our 1 quarts countertops out of our Dixon, Tennessee facility. We had a plant that we opened up nearly 10 years ago. We just opened up another line with a lot more advanced technology and capabilities. So I think that's probably our largest investment, in addition to what I think it's going to bring us in the future.
Even just since last year, when we were initially talking about these Made in the USA products, have you seen there be an even bigger increase in your product category being domestically made? You mentioned the 80% number. Do you see that number just continuing to rise? And I guess is the ultimate goal trying to get to 99, 100%?
No, I don't think you'll ever get there. I think a healthy balance is probably where we are. There are areas of the world that are going to have products that we can't produce, specifically on the natural stone, and some mosaics that come in. But so I think we're at a good balance with our manufacturing and what we sell. I do think that there are going to continue to be evolutions in the technology that we provide. I think for a long time, the international manufacturing spectrum, let's say, had a better, or what the consumers perceived as being a better product styling and technology, and we are past all of that, which is really helpful to see.
Yeah, I think that's good insight too for people that maybe aren't aware of some of those details of just how the product is made. That it's unrealistic to say that everything's going to be able to be made in the USA, but I would say 80% is a pretty good number. Like
I mean,
definitely higher
yeah.
than probably some of the competitors.
It's interesting. We didn't actually go down the Made in America path. That's just who we are. Daltile will
Yeah.
celebrate our 80th birthday in February. So we're 79 years old. 6 months from now, we'll be at, almost 6 months, less than 6 months, we'll be celebrating our 80th birthday, which is something to be said. And, the path that we're going down is to continue to support the facilities that we have. And again, there's 11 of them that are domestic and 9 that are in the US.
Yeah. When it comes to just like choosing the products, how does Deltile help not just trade pro members that we have, but we have a lot of homeowners that come into our showrooms as well. How does Daltile help homeowners feel confident that they are choosing products that aren't just beautiful, but like durable and practical as well?
We love the Made in America story, but in the end, it's about color and design. And if the
Yeah.
color and design aren't spot on, the homeowner, the project, the developer, whoever's purchasing or specifying that product, they're not going to purchase it. So we spend an enormous amount of time making sure that we are on trend, we are seeing what's coming, and we're producing what a consumer, or a specifier in this case, is visualizing for their project, not just today, but going forward. And I think that's a very important point.
You brought up trends. Are you seeing any that are coming up, coming down the pipeline that you're excited about, or any that are happening right now that you're really into?
Yeah, I think there's all kinds of there's technology trends. With what we do with, say, Stepwise, for example, reveal
Yeah.
3D sync reveal, or our defend with microband. I think those technologies are very important. The trend that I believe is important right now is what I'm all excited about: bundling. And at Daltile, we can provide everything for, really, let's say, a kitchen, right? You guys, ProSource does a tremendous amount of kitchen remodeling and product support. We don't have cabinets. You guys have sources for cabinets, but everything else within that room we can provide. It's the wall tile, it's the floor tile, it's the countertops, it's the systems that build them and put it together, kind of under the hood elements. Because I think the consumers are really migrating more to that one-stop shop. Our
Yeah.
our category, the home furnishings category, if you will, is very fragmented, and a lot of times you have to go to multiple locations, and the more you can crunch that down into more of an efficient approach to, that intent to purchase, the more you're going to win the sale.
No, I mean, absolutely. We see that across all industries. Everyone just wants to get everything done at one time. They want the quickest result. And if you can get the quickest result with the best products, and just the options that we have at ProSource, we're always adding new categories as well to make sure that we can complete that one-stop shop for all of our members and homeowners. But just going into like our St. Louis showroom, it's hard to miss Daltile. Like when you're in the when you're in the countertops, you see the logo, the beautiful products. Even just like the tile displays are always great. You just briefly mentioned Stepwise technology. I know we talked
Yes.
about this a little bit last episode last year. Can you just talk a little bit more about how that technology is constantly being improved, how it balances like slip resistance, cleanability, and then of course style?
Yes, I mean, what's great about Stepwise. It's my favorite technology to talk about, and we have quite a few that are exclusive to
Yes.
Daltile. But Stepwise is the best product that we all need to sell more of, and the reason for that is, we'll get into the design component first, but in the manufacturing piece, we build that into the manufacturing process. So it's for the life of the tile. And what really makes it valuable is there's not, or desirable, even more than valuable, it's not, you can't see it, you can't feel it, you can't, a lot of times they'll put an aggregate on top of a tile, and it's real rough, which is understandable, right? That provides the slip resistance. But if you wipe a paper towel over, the paper towel is going to fall apart. You don't have that with Stepwise. And because of how we manufacture it, we're able to pronounce that we are 50% more slip resistant than the competition. And anytime you want to talk to a homeowner or a project or a specifier, as we've mentioned before, and you can say, hey, is slip resistance important to you? Of course it is, right? It is for everything. So we build it into certain products, not every product. We build it into certain ones. We have some products that you can do a floor tile in the home, like say a wood look tile, and you can take it outside and you can have the same exact product, but it'll have Stepwise on that. So if you have kind of a moisture outside from the morning dew, you won't slip. And I think that's important, especially with you have this aging in place, right? You have all of these people staying in their homes longer, and you want to make sure that you're not going to slip on a product that is inferior to what we're making with our Stepwise products.
Yeah, you mentioned outdoor. Like some of your products, you can put them inside, outside, and they work just as well either way. With outdoor living having such a boom back in 2020 during COVID when everyone was staying at home, are you seeing that boom continue? Are people still really investing into outdoor projects, or do you have any, I guess, pulse on that trend at all?
Absolutely. Yes. We look at that very closely. It's a big growth area for us. We call it our Daltile exteriors. And, people have been realizing for some time, I think at a couple of different approaches here, consumers have been realizing that, I've got this great backyard, kind of an okay patio, but you know what? We could spend more time out here. And that's very pronounced in the southern markets where it's warm. Like I'm in Dallas and we live outside. We are outside more than we're inside. And then, I think during COVID, people were outside more, and they're just like, wow, we gotta spruce this up a little bit. So we capitalized on that. We make some of our 2 cm pavers, our CM2 and 3 cm pavers. We make those in Dixon, Tennessee, which is literally across the highway from where we make the countertops, 1 quarts. And we also make some of them in Italy and bring them over. So it depends on kind of the look we're going after. But that's a big area for us. And I also think you've seen an evolution within the selection process from a ProSource point of view, a showroom, where we're not just indoors, right? If a consumer is redoing their home or a couple's redoing their home, chances are they're gonna consider doing something on the exterior, and we want to be part of that.
Yeah, you guys have a great exteriors program as well. Everything from the product photos I see from the samples that we have in the showroom. Um, it's a definitely, I think, a huge market that will continue to boom as people are prioritizing wellness as well. That's a big trend across all industries, is just wellness and making your home your sanctuary. That's like a big 2026 design trend. And I think that falls into that as well, even just outside of making like a spa bathroom, which is one of those trends. Just to circle back a little bit to Made in the USA, what would you want trade professional members to know when they are briefly bringing up your Made in the USA products to their clients?
I would say the first thing to know is we're changing constantly. Our product development is second to none. And the Daltile that products they saw 18 months ago, let's say for a customer, look, we've advanced even beyond that. So first thing is look at everything that we have. Second piece would be bundling, right? We build all of the products, all of the categories that we have, to your point, exteriors, floor tile, wall tile, countertops, everything that we do, all the components to put the tile on the floor or on floor and walls. We have all of it together so you can bundle, and it's designed to work together. That'd be number 2. And then number 3 is let the consumer's style dictate where you're going to go from a manufacturing point of view, and we believe that you'll end up with Daltile.
And following up on that, just because something is made in the USA does not mean there's any limitations to the customizing or the design options that there are, right?
Yep.
For any homeowners wondering, you don't even have to wait for your trade pro member to bring up Daltile to you. Bring it up to them and ask them about it, and they can go into their local ProSource and connect with an account manager. Look at all the beautiful samples
Sure
that are
can.
there.
ProSource is a very important partner with Daltile, and we've been partnering since the very beginning. And we make sure that all of our showrooms, and if there's a showroom out there that needs some help, just be sure to reach out to me or Molly, and we can help you. But we want to make sure that we are front and center. And when your contractor comes in or account manager starts working with them, we've got our products there for you.
Absolutely. What is exciting that's happening with Daltile over the next year?
I would say that I've got to go back to product development. The 2 most important things at Daltile are, number 1, our people. Like I was just in somebody's office across the way here, and she's here 37 years, and she was giving me some history about it. I mean, it's not we have a quarterly magazine that we push out kind of internally that, at the back page covers all of our, anniversaries. And it's not uncommon for us to have 7 or 8 people at 40 years plus, which is fantastic. So I think number one is our people. Number two, absolutely our products. I mean, just the what we're doing with product design technology. I talked about, our second line for 1 quarts in Dixon, Tennessee. That's not just capacity, although of course it's part capacity. It's also what we can do. You have through body veining, so you can cut the edge and you don't have to see just strictly white. You'll see the vein go all the way through. Absolute technology and what we can focus on, and ultimately bring what your account manager and their contractor are looking and needing within a project.
That's great. Thank you so much. If anyone listening is wanting to check out more Daltile resources, products, obviously on our website, ProSourceWholesale.com, we have a Daltile brand page. We have Daltile products up in the product area where you can kind of filter through the different brands and styles. Where else can they find Daltile inspiration or product options?
So if you go to our website, we have a fantastic website that has all the product you need, information about that, but we also have in our kind of our trend area, and it'll talk about projects that have happened in images. If you post something on social media and you tag hashtag Daltile, that picture will go in and be populated within that. So you can see actual room scenes and visualization of what projects have used Daltile products. I would say that would be, go to our website, has everything. Our team does a great job of that.
Yeah, this is kind of random, but I just thought about it. Didn't you guys do something with Jason Derulo, the singer?
We did.
Did he do his outdoor patio?
That was really cool. Outdoor patio. Yeah, it was actually really cool. I mean, it was all kinds of panoramic porcelain, which is our kind of that thin gauge porcelain that we produce in Italy and bring it over. He did that in his whole backyard. I mean, it was quite a project for them. Looked beautiful.
Yeah, I saw the videos and the photos from it, and I was like, oh wow, this is like kind of a random awesome thing that's happening right now. But I just thought that was cool. So congratulations on getting that project as well. That's cool.
You can also look in there, Jason Kelsey and Jason or Travis. Can't remember. Might have been Travis. And Justin Timberlake actually opened up a new restaurant that used all Daltile in there. So that's actually in there. It's actually pretty neat. I can't remember which Kelsey. I apologize, but it doesn't matter. It's still a great story.
One of them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, that's cool.
Yeah,
I didn't
really
know that either.
Yeah, very cool.
I'll have to check that one out too.
Yeah, you should check it out. It's really cool.
Okay, cool. Well, thank you so much, Patrick, for coming on today, celebrating these made in the USA products, and also celebrating 250 years of America. They both just go so seamlessly together, and we could not talk about it. But I really appreciate you coming on. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. And look, ProSource is colors are red, white, and blue. Daltiles are red, white. I've got red, white, and blue on today. You'll notice that.
Yes.
Like we are here to support whatever you need. If you need any help at all, Molly knows how to reach me, or if you need, just reach out to your local Daltile person. But your business is important, and we want to thank you for that.